Hey, it's Ryan, and I'm a product engineer with Arbsession, and I'm here with a 360 video for the Arbsession Nylon Loop Runner. Our nylon loop runners are color-coded and come in 9 different sizes. The green is 12, the pink is 18, the blue is 24, yellow 30, orange 36, silver 42, red 48, purple 54, black is 60. The color in our loop runners are resistant to fade and discoloration, and they're built with a 1-inch tubular nylon webbing material and is stitched together in a loop which allows you to rotate to help even out the wear of the loop runner. And the extra strong stitching creates a tensile strength of 29 kilonewtons, which is 6,519 pounds. The Arbsession Loop Runner is one of those items in your kit that you find that you take pretty much everywhere you go, whether that's going to be up in the tree for a prune or a removal, or on the ground dragging some brush. And that's because you can use it in a direct connection, or you can choke it off and use it for slings like we have here in our speed lane kit. It can also be used as a redirect of your climbing line or a false union up in the tree. You can find your Arbsession Loop Runner at arbsession.com. Thanks for watching.